I've never been one for just staying purely on the technology. I've always been kind of like a team player and working with everybody, pulling everybody in from the different disciplines. So working with user researchers, working with service designers, really looking at things holistically. I think I'd get really kind of bored and hemmed in if I was just looking at the technology all the time. It tends to be my role quite a bit at the time to be a diplomat or a kind of translator, negotiator with people who don't kind of pick up the technical details. So I feel like it's important for me to understand the user research side of things as well. I've worked most recently for HMRC on our innovation team, working in the kind of architecture, technical architect side of our innovation team. And our role in that team is to really kind of throw up a mirror to established ways of working, show us what new and emerging technology could do for the business, how it could transform how customers engage with HMRC, and really make sure that we're keeping an eye on the future, as well as looking at ways that we're doing things now and challenging those established ways of working and those established practices, and making sure we're making the most of technical opportunities. It's really hard to get that across to some people as well, the fact that technology should be a tool. I think people misunderstand that, like, the technology is here and it's imposed upon you and it's just the way things work now, and this is something that you've got to do. It should ultimately either be completely analogous to a tool that you would be using anyway and it makes sense, or every part of it should be helping you do what you need to do and the outcome should be better for it. And I think people do forget that, because so often in life people don't, as things get more and more complicated, things do become like less well understood by people, and they just kind of assume that they have to unplug. They don't understand how the car works. They don't understand how the phone works. It's just kind of, you're along for the ride.